Is it okay to use rubbing alcohol to clean the iPhone X screen? This was 2 years ago. And actually, the response to this is similar to when the first iPhone came out. It says, thank you for reaching out, but it says recommended. It is not recommended to use rubbing alcohol. Actually, that all changed last week. We're in a pandemic with coronavirus, and Apple has officially said it's okay to use rubbing alcohol, or isopropyl alcohol, that is, at 70%. And you can use cleaning wipes. So the official response has changed. Of course, they still say don't use abrasives like cloths, towels, and paper towels. And here's the steps. Remember to unplug your device, keep liquids away, don't use aerosols. So the official response has changed, and you go to the website over here at support. It says you can use 70% alcohol wipes and Clorox disinfecting wipes. Just remember to be gentle. It's very easy to remove the, as they say, there's a fingerprint-resistant oleophobic layer, and so that's why they're wary of letting you use these chemicals. But just use it sparingly and clean your phone. Of course, don't submerge your phone in it. Just use a, like they said use a lint-free, somewhere on here it says lint-free something, a lint-free cloth over here, sorry. So use a lint-free cloth and get it damp, and then wipe it away. And so here's a list of other phones affected. So there's 3 reasons why they were hesitant to suggest this. One was you can easily get fingerprints on your iPhone if it didn't have a protective layer on the front and the back. Some iPhones don't have a protective layer on the back, but all of them have on the front. So you can easily get fingerprints onto them. So if we do fingerprint smudge iPhone. Okay. And let's go to images, and you can see all these smudges and fingerprints on your iPhone. And the second reason was because of scratches, because a towel like this and harsh chemicals can actually cause scratches on your phone. And the third reason, of course, is water damage, because it's easily not to be properly cleaning the phone. Maybe someone might even submerge it in water. Who knows? But now that we have iPhone X, XR, and all the new ones, they're all water resistant, so that's not a problem anymore. But if you have an older iPhone, like iPhone SE or iPhone 7, that is an issue. I mean 6S, where mechanical parts can be susceptible to water damage, then be careful.
What are you doing?
I'm just making a video. Shh. And so, as you can see, the iPhone X response to this has changed, or response in general to iPhones. Now you're allowed to use isopropyl 70% and also wipe the exterior with cleaning wipes. With isopropyl, I'm not sure if you can use more than 70% or less than 70%, but anyways, it's nice now that we have an option versus just a damp lint-free wipe, because it's actually really hard cleaning the home button. The old way is actually very difficult. if you go out to eat and eat with spaghetti or get maple syrup onto it, because it just won't come off unless you have something that is a little harsher.